to log in Rakuten Credit Card account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log in Rakuten Credit Card account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device and on the search bar type in rakutencard.syf.com. Now press enter on your keyboard. And after a while, you will land on the official interface of Rakuten Credit Card account. Once you land on the official interface of Rakuten, here at the left corner, you will find out the login section where you can access your account entering your user ID and password. If you wish to remember user ID, check mark this box and click on Secure Login. If you forget your user ID or password, you can easily click on the link given underneath, and once you do that, you can recover from there. If you haven't created any account on Rakuten credit card account, click register and then register on your account. That's it. That is how you log in Rakuten credit card account. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.